So, a couple updates on the tractor. If you haven't seen my last video, the engine's bolted down. I kind of got some makeshift throttle thing going on that I think is going to need to be tweaked in the future. But for now, I think it's going to work. Got the drive belt on. Basically, everything is done except for the exhaust needs hooked up. It's just sitting there right now. It needs hooked up. I got to do a little bit of cutting and fabrication to really get that to fucking work right. But we're going to get it done. But I recently started a new charity. It's called Help a Retard with Wiring. And it got some backlash. It got some serious backlash in the Facebook groups. You know, people, I'm not going to watch this because you say the R word and blah, blah, blah. And you shouldn't say the R word and this, that, and the other thing. So, a little bit of backlash there. And I say fuck that. I think that's fucking ridiculous. So here's the thing. What was once called retarded is now called intellectually disabled. But what was it called before retarded, you know? And we keep changing names because we're a bunch of snowflakes in this society. And not all of us, but a lot of us. So now it's intellectually disabled. So one question I have is, well, when is that going to become the insult, you know? When is, did you just call him intellectually disabled? We call that retarded. So, kind of some bullshit there. It's just going to change and change and change over time. You know, and words really only carry the meaning that you give them. So, I was diagnosed with Asperger's autism in 2008. And that's another thing that could really piss some people off, that it's not called Asperger's anymore, because Hans Asperger was a Nazi. Don't give a fuck. I'm going to keep calling it what it is. It's Asperger's. I find it funny that they came up with a name for it, and then they changed the name of the autism that is a group of people who, among other things, don't like change. Kind of funny. A little bit ironic if you think about that one. So, here's the thing. Autism and mental retardation are two different things according to some people, and according to others, they're not. According to me, I think that Asperger's autism, at least to me, as someone who has it, is a form of mental retardation. It's social retardation, right? I'm not fucking great with words. I'm not great with people. I'm not a good fucking speaker. I like to hang out by my fucking self and wrench on 35-year-old bullshit that nobody else gives a damn about. Kind of my fucking thing. Another thing is, so I'm going to be careful with this one. 13% of our population can say the N-word to one another. And that's perfectly fine. But if I say the N-word, I'm a racist. And rightfully so. You should be fucking slandered and shit if you say that. Honestly, I think even if you're one of those people, I think it's a shitty word. And but freedom of speech. I'm not going to fucking condemn somebody for saying it. I'm not going to hang out with that person. Another thing is that a lot of the time women, you know, they can call each other a bitch or hoe, but if I fucking call a woman a bitch or a hoe, then I'm a fucking misogynist piece of shit, and rightfully so. I think we should respect women and not treat them like pieces of meat, although they're really fucking good at doing that to themselves. But just kind of my thoughts on that. So, why in the fuck can't I call myself retarded? I'm referring to myself. I wasn't calling anyone else retarded. I'm referring it to myself as an autistic man as retarded. And I think it's fucking funny. It's a funny word. Retard. Say it. It's fun. It's a fun word to say. It doesn't fucking offend me. Shit, it doesn't. I have friends who are retarded. They're not offended by it. They refer to themselves as fucking retards. The only people who are offended by the word retard are neurotypical people or fucking weirdos with bull rings in their schnozzes. It's a crock of shit. It's a crock of shit, dude. We have freedom of speech in this country. And like I was saying, yeah, you shouldn't be going around throwing the frickin' N-word around. Or, you know, insulting people in general, I think, is not a great thing. I think you have the right to insult people if you so choose to. I think it's a shitty fucking thing to do. But why do people get all up in arms over a word that isn't directed at anyone but the person using it? And it's not even a fucking insult. I am mentally retarded. I was tested for IQ in 4th grade in 2008. And although I wasn't paying attention, and maybe I would test better now, I had an IQ of 58. Anything below the IQ of 70 is considered to be intellectually disabled or priorly mentally fucking retarded. I'm retarded, man. I'm a retarded autistic man, and I should be able to say the word retard without people getting all fucking pissed off. So I also find it kind of funny that, everybody pretends to care about the intellectually disabled, but when one of them asks you for help wiring a fucking tractor, you bitch them out. You can't use the word retard. I don't like the word retard. It hurts my vagina. So, you know what? Fuck off. I mean, to be honest, you're retarded. So am I. And so are you. It takes one to fucking know one, bud. So that's my thoughts on it. If you retards enjoyed this fucking video, give it a like, subscribe, and you're more than welcome to donate to my charity. Once again, that is Help a Retard with Wiring. Thank you very much. Appreciate you watching. Peace out.